If you want to know how to do your crypto taxes for eToro very fast, then I'm gonna guide you today step by step through it and then show you how to import it into CoinTracking. Let's jump into our computer, and then you need to be logged into CoinTracking and into eToro. We actually have a written guide in CoinTracking for you, so it's easy for you. All you have to do is go into Enter Coins, then type in eToro and click on it, and then you will find the written guide on your platform as well, and then also a clickable link, so you don't actually have to search in eToro for the export function. So if we click this one, then we will get to the correct site, and you will see you are at the export function already. All you have to do is to simply select the date or do the custom export and then download your XLS spreadsheet. If you don't want to click the link because you're cautious, I know, I understand, this is crypto, then we can just go into our eToro account, and all you have to do is simply go to Settings, click Account, scroll down to Documents, and then you are on the exact same page we provide in CoinTracking. Now let's select our time frame. We go for custom. I know our very first trade was some day in 22, so we just jump to January 1st, 2022, and then the last day of our trading was this month on the 15th, and we start creating our account statement. Here you will get a summary of your account statement, and all we have to do is click on the right side on XLS, and it will generate our export. As you see, our export has been downloaded and it will be in our download folder. All we have to do now is go back into CoinTracking and import that file so we can calculate our taxes. Once you have imported the file, you will see in the progress bar that it's completely full and the import has been done correctly of the file. Now we click continue to import, and we will see some import functions or options you can enable and disable. We recommend to leave the settings as they are. Down below you can see some info and error messages if there are any. Looks all good to me, and we can start the import. Once the import is done, you will see in the green big box eToro import done, and as well check the info and error message if there are any transactions faulty. Looks all good to me, and we can return to our trades. After in file import, you have to recalculate your trades, so you will see a red big box in the corner. This is just for the software to recalculate all the trades, which is important for the tax report generation. Once you have imported the data, all you have to do now is simply go to reporting, balance by exchange, and double check that the imported balance in CoinTracking matches the balance in eToro. So scroll down and look for eToro, and it's right here for us. Okay, we have nothing besides USD in our account, which is correct at the moment, and we can now proceed to the tax report generation. Once you have imported all your transactions, then please make sure that you import all the transactions of all your different exchanges, all your different wallets, and make sure to check all the checks in the reporting section to make sure there are no missing transactions or other errors or duplicates in your account. Then you can move on and generate the correct tax report. So let's move to the tax report section. If you're on the tax report side, then you simply have to scroll down and choose your country. In our case, it is Germany, with the first in, first out method for the tax year 2023. If you are hovering over the eye icon, then you will see more information about the different categories. We give you a lot of different options you can choose from for your tax report. All our recommendations are already pre-selected if you choose your country. Then you have to scroll down and simply generate a new tax report, and if you don't have a lot of transactions like I do, then the tax report is created within a few seconds and you simply can load the report. Once you load your report, you will see all the important data about your transactions, how much you made, how much you lost, and if you scroll down you will see in big orange download tax report. Here again you have some export options, and you have the option to export in PDF or Excel. Once done, then you are ready to submit your taxes. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you need anything else, please comment it down in the comment section down below, and we are ready to help you. Please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna see you in the next guide. Bye bye.